Hi, I'm Jessy, and this is my program for calculating the address of an element in 2D and 3D array in both row major and column major. For this to be achieved, I declare a 2D array of row size 3 and column size 4 and a 3D array of a set size 3 and row size 4 and the 5 elements in column. Then I as this is the program for calculating the address. I declared two pointer variables for 2D array and three under another two pointer variables for calculating the address of 3D array. Pointer variable is nothing but it is a variable that holds the address of another variable, and I declare n in character. Here I display address for 2D and the address for 3D. So here I ask the user to press 1 or 2. So if the this OP is the variable which reads the input from the user. So if the user presses 1, it shows the row major calculation and column major calculation for 2D, and if the user presses 2, it should show the calculation for 3D array. So here, for that to be achieved, I use the switch case. For case 1, let's see what is the logic. For row major calculation, as this is the uh, uh, here I have used two for loop because the address of all elements has to be printed. So this so for that purpose I use this for loops. This first for loop is for printing rows, and the second for loop is for columns, and this is the formula for finding the address of the elements in row major. And here this cout is used to display the address, and as this p is the pointer, it only shows the address of the variable, address of the element. And here I use the many escape sequences /t and /n, so that the elements, the address is all printed in a matrix form. So this is the row major calculation, and next the column major calculation for 2D is similar to that, but except the formula has to be changed. This is the formula for calculating column major address, and here the Q holds the address of all the elements in that column major, and I also use the escape sequences to print all these in the matrix form, and here I give break. And if the user presses 2, it has to show the address for 3D. Here the same logic is to be followed, but here as it is 3D array, a set has to be has to be included. So for that I have used another for loop for set, and the remaining is for row and column. And this is the address for calculating that. This is the formula for calculating the address in row major for 3D, and here I use the here cout is used to display that address of the elements, and here also column major. Here the formula for calculating the address is this. So everything else is remains same, and also it displays the address. Here I use the do while to ask the user whether they want to continue or not. If they press Y, it checks the here why I use do while this. Do while executes the statement at least once, even if this condition is false. So it executes all these statements from here to here, and next time when the user gives anything other than y, it terminates the program. So let's see what the output is. So here address for 2D array. So I want first address for 2D array, then press 1. Here it is all printed in the matrix form. So this is the address for row major. This is address for column, addressing column major. And yes, do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. Now I give the address for 3D array. So I give 2. So it shows the address for in row major calculation and address in column major calculation. So the program terminates. This is the program. This program is used to calculating the address of all the elements. So this is the program. Thank you.